report again. Isaiah with his new baby computer, and then we're gonna see what Eli got in his big box. Something really big. We gotta be careful though, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got. What is it? What is it?
A two-wheel scooter!
A two-wheel blue scooter!
Yeah!
A big boy one!
Awesome!
Awesome! Oh,
my God, the one I was talking about!
all right, he's excited! Okay, Isaiah's going to bed. Eli, do you love it?
Yeah!
What do you say when you get a cool thing, when you get any present?
Thank you!
You're welcome. Night, Isaiah.
Bye.